Hi, I'm Kylie Ludwig, Family Consumer Science Agent with K-State Research and Extension's Wildcat District. We are excited to share with you our next Small Business Big Ideas workshop. We hope you can attend this informative day. Small Business Big Ideas workshop is coming up on November 26th in Independence, Kansas at the Fab Lab. It's a great opportunity for entrepreneurs to learn about resources and network with other businesses. We have a fun day planned for our workshop. Joanne Smith from Fab Creative Services is going to share with us a program called Women for Women. It's a program for women of all ages and backgrounds designed to inspire self-discovery while working in community with other women to develop new skills and learn concepts in entrepreneurial thinking. The rest of our morning will be spent hearing from Jim and Tim, educating us on the Fab Lab and seeing some of the great tools the Fab Lab has to offer and how you can have access to the facility as well. At noon, we'll take a break and enjoy lunch sponsored by Community National Bank and Trust. The afternoon will keep your attention when Jim Zaleski shares the ins and outs of a franchise business versus an independently owned business. We'll round out the afternoon hearing from Shelley Posh and the resources Network Kansas can provide to small businesses. Tamisha Sewell from Eclectic Art Gallery is also going to speak and how she's benefited from the Network Kansas opportunities. Our meeting will be held at the Fab Lab in Independence. It's located on the west side of Independence Community College's main campus. Their newly constructed facility is something you won't want to miss out on seeing. Small Business Big Ideas is a workshop geared to help local businesses learn about new resources and network with other businesses. If you've been looking for ways to boost your business, this workshop's for you. Contact us today at the number on the screen to register. K-State Research and Extension is a source of research-based education you can rely on. We assist individuals, businesses, and communities in their efforts to find solutions, develop their knowledge base, and better themselves as a whole.